Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, backup camera. Your new ride is just a phone call away.